Hey, Christian, how you doing? All right, thank you for the review of the story, and then also for your written rationale here, describing some of your design decisions in your Wizard of Oz typeface. So let's go ahead and jump right over to the typeface. Christian, this is really phenomenal work. I mean, this is just fantastic. I mean, the consistency here is. I'm just really impressed. This is professional quality design right here. I mean, I think your attention to detail is really, actually, I think it's stunning. So I really only have one. Well, I've got a couple of comments. Number one, make sure that you hold true to the requirements. So in other words, I know it seems minor, but it's just a matter of showing that you're paying attention to and are able to process and synthesize the written requirements in a way that reflects the intent. And what I'm talking about is don't forget the first line. Where is this here? Full set of the story title on line one, uppercase on line two, lowercase on line three, numeric and punctuation on line four. But that's just kind of reversed here. Your titles are on the bottom instead of on line one. So I want to address that. Also, your punctuation, if you take a look here at punctuation, you need to include period, question mark, exclamation point, comma, semicolon, colon, apostrophe, and quotation marks. So we'll need to include those as well. My only comment really, there's one letter form here that's just really bugging me, and it's the lowercase p. And the reason I say that is because the that bowl for the p resides higher than the x height for a lot of the other letter forms. I think if we move that down a little bit just to get the top of that p in alignment with the x height of the rest of the letter forms, and then that little ascender there off the top of the vertical stem of the lowercase p, I think that can be reduced a little bit. Right now, the p just looks like it's higher on a higher plane than the other letter forms. I mean, you can clearly see that as you just follow this mean line right here. Then all of a sudden, all the p all of a sudden just goes boop right up like that, and then comes back down boop like that, and then continues along. So we kind of see this phenomenon here. Okay, so we're going through the alphabet, right? The p goes up and then down like that, and then we come back across. I think it's inconsistent, and I would definitely recommend that you address that. The other thing, yeah, that's really all I have for. That's really all I have for your adjustments. But again, Christian, this is just absolutely gorgeous work. Yeah, fantastic. Really great job. All right, go ahead and make those changes for your final submission, and you're ready to roll. All right, questions, comments, concerns, clarifications, any of the above, please let me know. You know, now that I look at it, it looks like the R and the S are also a little bit too large. If we look at where that S ends and then take over and come back down, it's a lot higher. So is the R. It's a lot higher than the mean line for the rest of these letter forms. So definitely address those. I think that'll wrap up the consistency and just add to what's already a very harmonious, very consistent typeface. So again, be proud of yourself. This is great work. Thank you very much.